up, you guys? I know that a lot of us have been missing the salon services that we would get done, and we're like, how do we do these things at home? What's my alternative? Well, I'm about to put you on to a few awesome things that you absolutely can do yourself at home. Mom, your hair is legit turning purple. All things involving hair. Thank you to Kenzie for sponsoring this video.
Come on, get your hair cut.
So many of my girlfriends have been mainly complaining about their hair issues, whether it's grays or hair removal has been a major one. So many of my girlfriends are like, yo, I need a bikini wax. I need to get my upper lip waxed. And in moments like that, I am so grateful that one, I got laser hair removal done and that I've continued to keep that up with my at-home laser hair removal system called Kenzie that I've put you guys onto before. So if you didn't get put on last time, I'm about to put you on again. Hello. So all you're gonna do is plug it in. It's got a power button back here. I'm gonna press that and you hear it when it starts. I don't know why I love that sound. I'm a weirdo. I feel like, oh my God, the process is about to happen. Your girl is getting cute. I've actually been mainly doing this on my underarms lately because I feel like that's the main thing I was always shaving. What you do is you take it to the level that you want. I also started out on a really low level and I built my way up to the level that I use it at now. Guys, it's super simple and it's not painful. I get to do it in the comfort of my home and then I only have to keep up with it once a week. And I'm hair free. So here we go, you guys. I'll show you how I use it. Armpit in action. It's been shaved prior to. I know you guys saw me using it on my legs the last time in the last episode, and I absolutely loved the results. And I've been using it for a few months now, and I feel like the more I use it, the less hair grows back and it just gets thinner and thinner every time. So if you want to check out the Kenzie, head on over to kenzie.com. That's KENZZI.com and use the code ALL50 for $50 off of your Kenzie, or just click the link in the description. Boom. Once a week, people. That's all you need. All right, now that we're done with hair removal, we are moving on to hair color. I've dyed my own hair. I've dyed my sister's hair before, but this is my first time ever dyeing my mom's hair. This should be interesting.
This is Nelda. She usually wears her hair like this. Today in quarantine, Adrienne is updating her do with a fresh new shade.
Mommy brought her own black towel from New York, everyone.
Yes, I did.
How responsible you are, mamita. Mom,
What?
did you use this towel on the dog?
No.
Mom, don't lie.
The dog's towel is brown.
Since the quarantine, my mom has been coloring her own hair, but shout out to your girl in New York that colors your hair.
Bashara.
Bashara colors her hair and cuts it. Girl, I'm taking over for you. I apologize in advance. This is my mom's hair currently. She normally dyes it like a platinum blonde. You dyed it the first time here at the house. And what color did your hair turn?
Pink.
Then she colored it blonde and it was completely yellow. And this is what it's faded to.
Yes.
This is her current color. But today we're gonna try a new hair color that you ordered. Where'd you order it from?
Amazon.
She ordered it on Amazon and you had heard great reviews. Tell them all about it while I go get it. Hold please.
I can't even remember the name of it.
Okay, but where did
It's
you hear about it?
on Instagram, and it's a company that's from Italy. So I figured, hey, what the heck? Lord, I'm in your hands.
1, 2,
No,
that's number 3.
no, this
3 and 4.
Okay, so the
Prep
the
and
last
prime. This is your pre-treatment.
one. What are you
Hold on,
talking
let-
about pre-treatment?
Mom, prep and prime, pre-treatment.
No. Look at the instructions. It's all in Italian.
No, it's not. Okay, prep and prime. The pre-treatment helps to ensure perfect protection to balance the hair for the best color result.
But you don't put it together in here?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Oh my God.
The pre-treatment helps to ensure perfect protection to balance the hair for the best color. Wait, so when do we dye the hair?
Oh my God, that's what I'm trying to figure out. That might have had to go in here. Girl.
Wait, read this, guys. This is the English part right here.
Where does it say England?
Let me see. Okay, Mom, you handle that.
I can't
Give me
see.
this. Here, you know how to do it?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
What kind of salon makes you put your own color in a bottle?
What?
The kind you ain't paying.
Okay, now we're gonna shake. Oh. Okay, here we go.
But Nana, you have to do the roots first.
Mom, I'm doing the roots.
No, you're not. You gotta like go like.
Mom,
You
I'm gonna
know.
brush it through real good. Is it burning your scalp?
No. Girl, they put bleach on my scalp and it doesn't bother me.
This is burning. My fingers doing it. For real.
You're too delicate.
My
all a
technique is to
mental
just
thing.
place it everywhere, especially on the roots, which is pretty
That's
easy
what-
with short hair. And then I'm gonna go through and brush it through
Yeah, but you
to make sure that I get it really good. I'm gonna get your roots. Trust me, I'm gonna get your roots. Yo, what if Mommy's hair starts falling out? Are you gonna be mad at me? That's not the main
right
focus.
over here.
The main focus is.
The sides, you gotta do a lot on the sides.
Oh,
Okay.
Mom, I got it on your shirt.
I'm not happy. That shirt is gone. Gone, gone, gone.
This looks right to you, Arnold.
Yeah.
Then
Okay, in the middle of your head, you had no color.
But I told you, I could feel it.
Mom, your hair is legit turning purple.
Okay,
Bible.
okay, it's all right.
What do you mean it's all right?
It's turning the right color.
It's a toner.
Literally turning purple.
Okay. Are you putting that stuff on my eyelid? On my
Mom,
eyelid?
I'm not. My God, Mom. Oh my God!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Anything was better than that yellow.
Let me see.
No, not.
This is. It's a vibe.
I think it looks okay, but it would look better if he had yellow.
Okay, now that Mommy's hair is done, right, Mommy?
Yes.
Alrighty
I'm
then.
leaving the salon now. Yeah,
Mom is leaving the salon. That is the color you chose. Now it's time for Israel to get his hair cut.
Uh-oh.
Now it's hubby's turn in the chair. Israel took the clippers to his own hair. Now it's up to Adrienne to see if she can fix that fade.
I need your head to stop crying. I cut Israel's hair multiple times before, but after seeing my mother's outcome, he's a little concerned. I don't know why. So today we're going to take a little bit off the top. We're going to shape him up on the sides. And we are going to even out some interesting situations that he's created on the sides.
Listen, guys. I just wanted it to be like down so I could wear a hat and not look.
So he went in with the hat on and just...
Yeah, my own bowl cut. It was terrible. It was terrible. I freely own and admit that.
Okay, so get the
What are you
cord.
doing? Do you even know, guys?
In the meantime, let's bring in the big boys.
Jesus help us.
You've used these before?
Yeah, I cut his hair all the time.
See, okay, I will give her credit. The last time she did the cut, it was pretty good. How high up you going?
High enough that it makes sense for what you did on the bottom.
I didn't.
What? I'm not saying anything. Why are you making those faces?
I just was like concerned about
Oh my
his
gosh.
skin.
Quarantine cuts. I'm scared. Help me. I will say,
I will say.
you're the sexiest person ever gave me a haircut, so thank you for that. And this is how we do it, guys. Just real. There was no rehearsal for this. So,
Okay.
Thank you, Jesus.
That's that part. Now I actually have to trim him all up here. Can I do it with my razor? How do I clean?
Oh, God.
Like that, right?
Oh, heavenly Jesus.
It looks terrible back here.
Oh.
Your sound effects are really unnecessary.
Comment below if when you used to get haircuts as a kid, you would cry in the
You
barber
cried. You didn't get haircuts. So I don't know what you cried about.
Oh, man. Why you be manhandling me, though? Jeez.
Because you're mine and I can do that.
Ow! Go easy, fam. Cue the psycho.
Why do you gotta hold it like that?
Right, look!
That's
She's literally like, all right, come on! Get your haircut, eh?
You look.
Sit down in my chair, little kid!
So I'm going to wet his hair with this, and then I'm going to brush it through. And I know that there is a hairstylist out there that is going to cringe as they watch me use paper and scissors on your hair.
All the stuff we order from Amazon and we haven't ordered actual haircutting
I
scissors.
know.
Guys, I didn't order Amazon yesterday, and there was no Amazon that came, and so the UPS guy came and knocked on the door just to make sure we were okay.
So this is the area that's a little getting too floofy-poofy.
What is that?
A little floofy-poofy.
How do you spell that? Oh, Jesus.
Now you see you were a little worried, mommy.
Still a little worried, but
Worst case scenario, you'll just go back to your everyday life with a hat on.
hat it in, jeans, sure, right?
So you know he has a haircut that goes to the side. But this top is getting so long.
Yeah, don't trim it too much on the top, babe.
Why?
It counts
You like that?
a little bit. I mean, but do your thing, you know how it is.
That looks really good, honestly. Honestly, this is one of your best haircuts. I'm not joking and I'm not being funny. That's a good part, eh?
Okay.
Yo, the abuse at this salon, though. Smell good.
Did you just sniff my armpit?
Yeah, it smells good.
I wish I had some of my products to use. Looks good to me.
No, it looks good.
No, for real, it looks good.
What's up, you guys? I just got a haircut from the lovely Adrienne.
You see that part? You see that part?
See that? Yeah, she did that all by herself. I love
We
it.
love you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you've been trying any salon services in your home. Let us know how it turned out for you. Are you pleased with your cut?
I am pleased.
Mommy's was a little weird, and the Kenzie always works. Click the link in the description to get your Kenzie with $50 off. Mwah. I love you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that you got a big laugh.
There were many laughs, there were some tears.
You know what? Hey, we're just out here trying to make it in a pandemic.
Don't forget to subscribe.
I love you guys. Do not forget to subscribe. Mwah.